Are you tired of digging through hundreds of organizations to find the ones assigned to your team? Learn to filter by owner in 30 seconds. If you have ever found yourself endlessly scrolling through Pipedrive, looking for that one client list your colleague is managing, you know exactly what I mean. It is frustrating and it wastes time. So let me fix that for you right now. I will show you exactly where to click in Pipedrive to set up this filter. Follow these simple steps and you will never manually hunt for a team member's organizations again. Trust me, once you see how quick this is, you will wonder why you didn't do it sooner. Alright, so first things first, go ahead and open up Pipedrive. Just log in like you normally would. Nothing special here yet. Once you are on your main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side. That is your sidebar navigation. You want to find and click on the option labeled Contacts. Just give that a single click. Now, from within Contacts, you will see a few different sub-options pop up. What you need to select is Organizations. Go ahead and click that. This is going to load up your full list of every company or organization you have in your system. It might take a moment to load, especially if you have a lot of data. Give it a second to catch up. Okay, so now you are looking at your giant list of organizations. But we do not want the giant list. We want a specific list. So look all the way up to the top right corner of your screen. Do you see the button that says Filter? Click that. It is usually right next to the search bar. Once you click Filter, a menu panel will slide out from the right side of your screen. This is where the magic happens. This menu might have a few different tabs or sections. You want to look for the one that says Owners. Click on that Owners tab. Now, here is the most important part. Under the Owners tab, you will see a list of all the people assigned to deals or contacts in your pipeline. This is your team. So pick the specific person whose organizations you want to see. Just click on their name. It could be a colleague, a team lead, or even yourself. After you select that owner, pause for a second. The system is going to work. And then automatically, the page will refresh. You will see the organization list change and shrink down to show only the ones that are assigned to that person. And here is the really important part. This is the result you came for. Take a look at your screen now. Instead of that endless scroll of every single company you have ever added, you are now looking at a clean, focused list. Only the organizations owned by the person you selected. This is huge for accountability. Now, when you need to check on someone's workload or find a specific client for a handoff, you do not waste time. You just filter, you see it, and you move on. In my experience, this one simple trick saves you from so much back and forth and confusion. So, to recap, you opened Pipedrive, went to Contacts, selected Organizations, clicked the Filter button, found the Owners tab, and selected your team member. That is all it takes. No digging, no guessing. Now you know exactly how to find the organizations assigned to any specific team member in seconds. Go give it a try in your own account. I promise, once you start using this filter, you will wonder how you worked without it.